Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. I hope you are well and I'm good, so please subscribe our channel and like this video. So today I'm open just Visual Studio Code. So this is the program of Microsoft and you can easily use. So I am waiting for response. So full app opens. So now show all command, Ctrl+C+P and open file and others. So get start versus code. So choose your theme, browser color theme and dark modem and dark high contact. So I'm just click dark high. Okay, then support all your language. Click here and turn your settings. Click here, sync setting, access device. Click here and unlock productivity with a command. Click here and open up your code. Click here and watch video tutorial. So click here, mark done and next section. So click next section and learn of fundamentals. So code with extension, browser recommended extension. Okay, and built-in terminal. Click OK. Install Git. Click OK. Customize your shortcuts. Click OK and makes done. So guys, I hope like this video because I show all my shortcut, Visual Studio shortcuts. So keep watching this channel. I hope subscribe my channel. Goodbye, see you next time.